Today we're going to try and get the information center console ribbon that goes on the back of the information center taken care of and replaced. There's two light bulbs behind the information center system that light up four different sections of that left-hand side. And if you like the video, great, smash that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And if you want to get notified of videos when we upload them to YouTube, please click on the notification icon. You'll be notified when we do. Thank you and enjoy. So, we were going to do the information center ribbon replacement until I saw that right there, and it looks like it goes right through one of the lines in it. That's just perfect. Does it separate? Well, I know it's split. We can try it and then see what happens. So we've disconnected the battery. Now we're looking at this to see what it needs, and it needs a little bit bigger than 1/4 of an inch. And to take out the information center, there's 3 bolts. After you take off the plastic that holds the vents, there's 3 bolts or 3 screws right there, and we'll take those out. I'll put them right there. Like I said, I've disconnected the battery, so we have no juice to any of this. Let me get a flashlight. So we can get a little bit more. There we go. I think what we can do is press this. Yeah, and that comes out. All right. So, you can see right here it's split apart, and that's why we're replacing it. Just close those. And that's how it goes on. We'll be doing the same thing this way. Looks like the light bulbs act as ways to hold these down. Alright, and now this, like so, and let's go connect the battery and see what happens. Security comes on, check engine, fasten seatbelt. Everything's been switched to kilometers. So everything so far is good. There we go. They're lit. I think there's a problem with the switch. With the light switch. So we're good. It's back up and working. I don't know, bolt that back in. Well, not bolt it, but screw it back in. There we go. It's in. It's done. Works. Thank you for watching the video on the information center ribbon replacement. That took care of a problem on the left-hand side of the information center where one of the two lights didn't light up, so like one half of the left-hand side wasn't lighting up at all. It came down to the old ribbon was separating, and that's what happened to that side. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.